All right, just got the Shaper Origin shelf upgrade kit. Let's take a look at it. There it is in the box. The heavy duty instruction manual. There's the shelf and the telescopic pole. So that pole's gonna hook in right here. Quick release. All right, let's go hook it up, see what it looks like. All right, we have it all installed. We do have a bench pilot. There's a bench pilot right there, but you don't need it for the bench pilot. It just slides into the workstation here. You can see it in there. There's a release to make it slide up and down. Here's where that telescopic pole connects in. Here's that quick release so you could adjust it quickly. And then to tighten it up or loosen it up right here to guarantee level. I think this is actually going to work really good and give us a lot more versatility with our Shaper Origin.